Hey guys, how are you today? This time I'm painting a powerful Doberman directly with oil paint. No sketch, no pencil, just brush to canvas. This is the method I'm most comfortable with, and honestly it's what I do best. It's all about bold decision and raw energy. Let's dive right in. So this time the canvas was black, so I used a thin layer of oil paint mixed with white to loosely map up the composition. Since there's no pencil sketch, I just rely completely on my eyes and instincts. It really sharpens your observation skills, and every brushstroke matters. The first thing I focused on was the silhouette. The strong neck, the upright ears, and the intense gaze. Even at this early, rough stage, I wanted the Doberman's presence to come through loud and clear. I slowly built up the shadows and muscle definition using rich earth tones. Burnt umber, raw sienna, a touch of ultramarine. The challenge was creating smooth transitions without over-blending, so the strength still shows through. I'm the type who's not afraid to use soil black too, so I added that in right way. I aimed for smooth gradients without overworking the surface, keeping the strength and intensity intact. For the eyes, I switched a fine round brush and walked in carefree. I added highlights to the ears, brought out the shine on the nose, and adjusted the shadows under the jaw. Painting without a sketch from the start gave the whole piece a sense of tension and momentum, and I loved the feeling. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you felt the energy of this Doberman, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. By the way, my latest artworks are now up on Patreon. Feel free to check them out from the link in the video description, just if you're interested. Okay, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!